The fastest way to slow down your growth on YouTube is to ghost your channel. Now, I see a lot of creators, they have not posted a single video for the past 2 months. But then they will come to you and complain that they are not getting watch hours. But the truth is, when you ghost your channel, by the time you come back 2 months later, it's almost like starting from zero. Especially if your channel is still new and you are still trying to build it. So once you create your channel, you have to have a long-term goal and have a consistency plan that no matter how bad it gets, you definitely can upload one video a week. That is the fastest way you can reach your monetization milestone. And bear in mind, when you ghost your channel for a long period of time, you might come back and see that your watch hours has decreased massively. And this is very understandable because YouTube only counts the previous 365 days. So every week you are losing watch hours. And if you are not uploading consistently to meet up with the watch hours that is being deducted from your channel, especially if your channel is already over 1 year old. If your channel is already over 1 year old, this is when you should really take your upload schedule seriously. Because if your channel is already over 1 year, you are automatically losing watch hours every blessed day. And if you are not uploading consistently on weekly basis, at least to make sure that you are meeting up for the watch hours that are being deducted from your channel, it can become very hard to hit your 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so now that's one hidden thing that most of us creators don't realize. And now, to those who are already monetized, sometimes we feel like we have monetized the channel, we can just take a vacation of 6 months. But here is the shocker. When you don't upload on your channel for 6 good months, YouTube has the right to cancel your monetization. Just recently here, I saw a creator that was sharing her story, how she got monetized, and then for some private reasons, she couldn't upload on that particular channel. So let's say she ghosted the channel, and for complete 6 months, she did not upload on that channel, only for her to get a letter or an email from YouTube telling her that her channel has been demonetized. So getting to monetization is not an excuse for you to start ghosting your channel. Once you monetize, that is also the right time for you to double down your efforts, because YouTube don't just pay you simply because you are monetized. They pay you based on the views your videos are bringing in. So guess what? When you do not upload, that means you don't have any fresh videos, you don't any current views coming in. So your earnings can decrease massively. All right. So getting monetized is not a guarantee for you to just ghost your channel. So now, what is the point of this video? The point of this video is to emphasize on the importance of showing up for your channel. Don't create a channel when you are not serious about starting and continuing it for a very long time. Okay. Now, I'm not saying that if you are feeling under the weather or you don't feel okay or something is going on privately that you cannot leave your channel for a week or two. But exceeding over 1 month and 2 months, 3 months is not advisable. And I also noticed some creators trying to use the new YouTube collab feature without even uploading on their channel. So recently, someone reached out to me asking for collaboration. So when I checked out their channel, I saw that they have not posted for the past 2 months. So now, first things first, when using the collaboration feature, it is always best to collaborate with new videos, not old videos. Guess what? Let's say you have a video from 2 months ago and the video stopped getting views. Now you want to go and collaborate with someone else. So you share that video link with that person. So tell me, how exactly is YouTube going to push that video when the video is already dead? Collaborating with another person does not automatically start boosting or pushing your video. All right. So there are some little things that are vital that some of us new creators will overlook sometimes. If you want to use the collab feature, ensure that you are uploading fresh videos. So, example, let's say you are planning to upload a video tomorrow. Reach out to the person you want to collaborate with. Schedule your video and share the link of that scheduled video with that person. So by the time your video goes live, it goes live at the same time on both channels. Do not try and collaborate on videos that are no longer performing. It's not a good strategy because it's going to be it's going to be waste of time. All right. So emphasis on staying consistent on YouTube. Now, consistency does not mean uploading every day. At least every week, something new should be visible on your channel. The reason why you should keep uploading videos on your channel is because the YouTube system, they need data. They need data to figure out who your audience are. They need data to show you when your audience are online. They need data to show you which demographics your audience are. They need data for all those things to be visible in your analytics. And once you have all this information, it will be easier for you to scale your channel. Why? Because when your viewers are online, you know when to post. When you know where your audience are coming from, you know the type of content to double down on. So this work hand in hand. So as a new creator, if you are still not able to see some details on your analytics, for example, where your audience are online, your demographic, where your audience are watching from, that means the YouTube still needs more data from you, and you can only get this by consistently uploading. And once you are able to get a breakout video that will bring you massive views or enough views for YouTube system to track all this information, it becomes easier for you to study your analytics and use the data there to try and correct your videos in future. All right. So this is basically what I want to share in this video, because to me it's funny when someone is complaining they don't get subscribers, they are not getting views, and they are not even uploading. Your last video that you uploaded is 2 months ago or a month ago. So if you want to grow, show up for your channel, stay consistent. You might think your views are low, but if it is 10 returning subscribers you have, it is worth it. So focus on those people that keeps coming back to watch your video, and the rest will follow. So if you are new here to my channel, welcome. My name is Angela, the face behind this channel. And here on this channel, I share growth and YouTube tips that will help you grow faster on YouTube. So I help small creators monetize and grow faster here on YouTube. And also, this is a channel you want to be part of if you have the no quitting attitude. All right. So here we support each other. Let's support each other. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment on this video, and let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, thank you for watching.